Hello everybody. Today has been a lovely sunny spring day. It's been one of those days where I've just wanted to be outside all the time. I keep going out, coming back in, doing something, going out again. And there's something about the springtime. It's that energy of excitement that I just love. I just want to jump up and down. And it feels like this is the perfect time of year to actually start thinking, okay, what do I want? How do I want to feel? What do I want my life to look like? And not get too tied up in the hows or what's possible, what's not possible, just to really focus in on, how do I want to feel? What would life be like if things were flowing gently and easily? If I just did what's in front of me in this moment and enjoyed it. Because a lot of the time we're either in the past thinking about what's happened and how we'd like it to have been different, or we're looking into the future and worrying about how that's going to be. And I do know from my own experience that, if I'm in the moment, everything is possible. Whatever's going on in this moment is dealable with. It becomes not dealable with when you're doing all the what ifs and yes buts and hows when you start thinking about the forward bit. So I thought we'd just do a bit of spring tapping today, if that's okay. So as always, if you're joining with me, take full responsibility for yourself. Got a moment's blip there. And most of the time I'll be tapping on the side of the hand. If you want to tap on other places as well, do. Otherwise, I'll tell you if I'm moving somewhere different. So let's go. Even though it's springtime at the moment, and I could be feeling excited. And sometimes I get a bit lost in winter. I love and accept all parts of me. Even though that feeling of excitement that comes with spring is the feeling of being able to move on, to create new magical things, new ways of being, new ways of feeling. I love and accept all parts of me. Even though sometimes I get a bit stuck in winter, and that's okay. Sometimes I need that fallow time where I'm just being for a while. And then the fruit of that is the moving forward into the spring. The world is full of seasons. My life is full of seasons. And maybe it would be okay to consider which season I'm choosing to be in at this moment. It might be new beginnings and spring. It might be full flourishing in the summer, or gathering the harvest of the autumn, or just hunkering down and being in the winter. And I'm letting all parts of me know that wherever I am is okay. And if I'm ready to move to a different season, I'm allowed to do that. So if I happen to be watching this at springtime, I'm choosing to use that wonderful spring energy as my springboard into the next part of my life. I'm choosing to really feel the excitement of being alive, of being on this physical earth, experiencing all the things that I experience here. Because when I'm not here, I'll be remembering these times with joy. And maybe I could have the joy right now too. Choosing to celebrate my life. Choosing to celebrate who I am. Choosing to use the power of the seasons to move forward in the way that I'm wanting to. Allowing myself to be excited. Just to be me in this world right now. Because from that place, everything flows. And I'm choosing life to be easy and flowing and joyful. And I love and accept all parts of me. Springtime. All that joy and excitement. Feeling all the things growing through the earth. Celebrating the beauty and the colours. Loving being here. Allowing myself to uplift my spirits with the energy of the season, whatever that season is. Celebrating where I am right now. Knowing as I do, it leads me to the next stage in my life. Everything in perfect timing. All is well. So take care. Bye.